Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to read a rhyming book called Sheep in a Jeep. Sheep and Jeep are rhyming words because they both have the eep sound at the end. Beep, beep, sheep in a Jeep on a hill that's steep. So beep, sheep, Jeep, and steep are all rhyming words. They all have the eep, eep sound at the end. Uh-oh, the Jeep won't go. Sheep leap to push the Jeep. Sheep, Jeep, and leap are rhyming words. Sheep shove, sheep grunt. Sheep don't think to look up front. So grunt, right here, grunt and front are rhyming words. They sound the same. Sheep goes splash. Now here we're going to try to guess what's gonna be the rhyming word. Ready? Jeep goes splash. Jeep goes thud. Jeep goes deep in gooey mud. Very good. Sheep tug. Sheep shrug. Sheep yelp. Sheep get help. Jeep comes out. Sheep shout. Sheep cheer. Oh dear, the driver sheep forgets to steer. Jeep in a heap. Jeep weep. Jeep sweep the heap. Jeep for sale cheap. That's a really silly book. Bye, guys.